In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in Squarespace and set it as your home page, whether you're looking to highlight new products, share exciting news, or simply refresh your online presence. Having a dynamic landing page as your home page can make a significant difference. So let's dive right in. First things first, navigate to your Squarespace homepage. If you're already logged into your account, you'll easily find this page when you start up. It's your main control center where you'll access all the different elements of your site. Once you're there, take a moment to get comfortable and ready to make some changes. Next, you'll want to click on Add a Page. This will set you on the path to creating a brand new section for your site. Squarespace provides an intuitive interface, making it simple and straightforward to add new pages. With just a click, you'll be able to bring up options for different page types to suit your needs. Here, you'll select Blank Page. Choosing a blank slate gives you complete creative freedom to tailor the landing page exactly how you'd like it. You have the power to craft the exact message and design that represent your brand or personal style. So, it's important to think about what elements you want here, whether it's images, text, or buttons to lead visitors elsewhere on your site. Once the blank page is ready, it's time to name your page. This not only helps with organizing your site internally, but can also play a role in search engine optimization if you choose a name that reflects the content and purpose of your page accurately. Think about a title that succinctly conveys what visitors will find or experience when they land on this page. Now that you've named your page, go ahead and click on the gear icon. You'll find it right next to your new page's title. It opens up settings where you can fine-tune various details about your page. Here's where you can make adjustments to ensure everything aligns with your goals and visions for your site. Within these settings, look for the option that says Set as Homepage and click on it. By selecting this, you're telling Squarespace that this freshly created page should be what visitors see first when they come to your site. This is an essential move to ensure your most current and essential content gets the attention it deserves right away. Finally, you'll be prompted to click on Confirm. This step finalizes the process, officially establishing your new landing page as the front face of your website. It's a satisfying moment because it means you've successfully set up your site to put its best foot forward. And there you have it. With just a few straightforward steps, you've crafted a new landing page in Squarespace and set it as your home page, ensuring your site reflects up-to-date, engaging content right from the start. Happy customizing!